Good morning, friends. Have a nice day. Today we have learned about divisibility. त्याला विभाज्यता म्हणतात. In last standard we see divisibility test for 2, divisibility test for 5 and divisibility test for 10. All these tests are depend upon units number. For example, when unit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, these numbers are divisible by 2. For example, 364. Here is the unit 4. So 364 is divisible by 2. 475. Unit is 5. It is not divisible by 2. So 475 is not divisible by 2. 750. Unit is 0. It is divisible by 2. Next 628. Unit is 8. So it is divisible by 2. And last 500. Unit is 0. So it is divisible by 2. ज्याचा छेद 0, 2, 4, 6 आणि 8 असतो त्या दोननं डिव्हिजिबल असतात. नेक्स्ट divisibility test for 5. Unit is 0 or 5. These numbers are divisible by 5. For example, 125. Unit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. 364. Unit is 4, hence it is not divisible by 5. 475. Unit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. 750. Unit is 0, so it is divisible by 5. And 500. Unit is 0, so it is also divisible by 5. When unit is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. Last divisibility test for 10. When unit is 0, these numbers are divisible by 10, 750 and 500. Means divisibility test for 2, 5 and 10 are depend upon units number. Understood? Next, divisibility test for 3. If the sum of the digits म्हणजे संख्येत येणारे अंक, if the sum of digits in number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. म्हणजे संख्येतील अंकाची बेरजेच जर 3 न डिव्हिजिबल असेल तर ती पूर्ण संख्या 3 न डिव्हिजिबल असते. आलं सर? फॉर एक्झाम्पल 81. 8 and 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So is the sum of divisible by 3? Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. So 81 is also divisible by 3. या संख्येतील अंकाची बेरीज जर 3 न डिव्हिजिबल असेल तर ती पूर्ण संख्या 3 न डिव्हिजिबल असते. 672. 6, 7 and 2. 6 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 15 is divisible by 3. So 672 is divisible by 3. Next, 4527. 4527. Sum of these digits are 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So 4527 is also divisible by 3. Next number 8751. Sum of the digit of this number is 21. 21. So 21 is divisible by 3. So whole number is divisible by 3. Last 7382. 7382. Sum of these all digits is equal to 20. 20 is not divisible by 3. So 7382 is not divisible by 3. जे अंकाची बेरीज जर 3च्या पाड्यातली असेल किंवा 3 डिव्हिजिबल असेल तर त्या पूर्ण संख्येला 3 भाग जातो. अंडरस्टूड. आता आपल्याला पुढची टेस्ट पाहायची आहे, डिव्हिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर 6. डिव्हिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर 6. आता ही जी टेस्ट आहे ती 2च्या आणि 3च्या टेस्टवरती अवलंबून आहे. 2च्या आणि 3च्या टेस्टवरती अवलंबून आहे की जे आपण पाठीमागच्या पाहिलेले आहेत. पहा युनिट किती आहेत, 49003. 4 आहे म्हणजे इट इज डिव्हिजिबल बाय 2. 4, 6 आणि 8 असेल तर ते डिव्हिजिबल बाय 2 नसतात. म्हणजे 4 is divisible by 2, so whole number is divisible by 2. 9 is not divisible by 2, so whole number is 9 not divisible by 2. 960, 3360 and is divisible by 2, but 123 is not divisible by 2. Next, divisible by the number of 3. Sum of this number 3 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 12 is divisible by 3. 369. Sum of this number 18 is divisible by 3. 9 plus 6 15, it is divisible by 3, so whole number is divisible by 3. 3360, sum of this number is divisible by 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. It is divisible by 3. The whole number is divisible by 3. 123. Sum of this number is 6. It is divisible by 3. So whole number is divisible by 3. When number is divisible by 2 or divisible by 6, it is also divisible by 6. 2 आणि 3 divisible असेल तर ती 6 divisible असते. Understood. The next number 369. It is not divisible by 2, so it is not divisible by 6. 960, it is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3, so it is also divisible by 6. 3360 is divided by 2 or 3, so it is divisible by 6. 123, it is not divisible by 2, so it is not divisible by 6. 2 आणि 3 जर डिव्हिजिबल असेल तर तो 6 डिव्हिजिबल असतो. लक्षात, 2 आणि 6 असेल तरच, 1 नसेल तरी होत नाही. नेक्स्ट, फॉर एक्झाम्पल 124. 4 unit is divisible by 2, but sum of this number is 7. It is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6. म्हणजे 2 आणि 3 दोन्ही असेल तरच तो 6 नसतो. दोन्ही असेल तरच तो 6 नसतो. If number is divisible by 2 or 3, it is divisible by 6. Next, divisibility test for 4. The number formed by the digit in the tens and unit, म्हणजे दशक आणि एकक मिळून जे अंक तयार होतात त्याच्यावर ही टेस्ट अवलंबून असते. पहा, अंक तयार झालेले आहेत 92, 48, 24 अँड 14. हे कुठले अंक आहेत? टेन्स आणि युनिट. यासाठी आपल्याला 1 ते 25 पर्यंत पाडे पाठ असले पाहिजेत 4च्या टेस्टसाठी. 92 इज डिव्हिजिबल बाय 4. 23 4 जा 92. 48 12 4 जा 48, म्हणजे इट इज डिव्हिजिबल बाय 4. 73 is not in a table of 4, so it is not divisible by 4. 18 for the 72. 18 for the 72. 19 for the 76. 24 is the divisible by 4. 6 for the 24. 6 for the 24. And 14 is not divisible by 4. Understood? If the tens and unit number are divisible by 4, so whole number is divisible by 4. 92, 23 for the 92. 48 is divisible by 4, so 6448 is also divisible by 4. 73 is not divisible by 4. So 7773 is not divisible by 4. 24 is divisible by 4, so 3024 is divisible by 4, and 14 is not divisible by 4, so 7314 is not divisible by 4. Understood? Next, divisibility test for 9. It is same as divisibility test for 3. अंकातील बेरजेला जर 9 ने भाग जात असेल तर त्या पूर्ण संख्येला 9 ने भाग जातो, अशा प्रकारची टेस्ट आहे. 171 number of sum of the digit in the number is equal to 1 plus 7 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9, so 171 is divisible by 9. 672 sum of the digit 6 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 15. It is not divisible by 9. 15 is not in a table of 9, so 672 is not divisible by 9. 8451 sum of the digit in the number is 8 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1, 18. It is divisible by 9, so 8451 is also divisible by 9. 7382 sum of the digit in the number 7 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 20. 20 is not divisible by 9, so 7382 is not divisible by 9. If the sum of the digit of a number is completely divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. म्हणजे संख्येतील अंकाच्या बेरजेला जर 9 ने भाग जात असेल तर त्या पूर्ण संख्येला 9 ने भाग जातो. लक्षात? 15 is not divisible by 9, so whole number is not divisible by 9. And 9 is divisible by 9, so 171 is divisible by 9. लक्षात? 3ची आणि 9ची कसोटी सारखीच आहे.